We are going to attempt to wake up at 5:15 in the morning and go see Trevi fountains because we did not get to see that today. Also, that is a good time because the sun rises at like 5:30, so the lights will still be on, it'll still be dark, and there will hopefully not be a lot of people there. And then we are going to come back to the hotel, have breakfast, pick up our luggage, check out of the hotel, and then hop over to Trevi Station. It's like 2 blocks from here, with all of our luggage and stroller and toddlers. And then we're going to get on the express train, which leaves at 10 in the morning, 9:57 a.m. and get on our next cruise.
Running through the last of my thoughts, standing on the edge of my time. Everything I know will be gone in a minute, and that's alright, alright, 'cause I'm freer than I've ever been before. Yeah, baby, I'm free.
Well, it is 7 a.m. We kind of made it. We're just waiting on our Uber now. You see our Uber yet?
It's about 7 a.m. and we all actually made it up and got dressed and ready to go see the Trevi fountain real quick before we leave to get on our cruise. We wanted to come see it really early when hopefully there isn't such a huge crowd of people there, and then we're gonna eat some hotel breakfast and head to our next cruise.
Well, we made it to the Trevi fountain. There's not too many people here for 7 in the morning. It usually is so crowded you can't even get a picture. So I highly recommend coming early in the morning.
Are you guys ready to make your wish now? Okay. Choose one for you. Hold it careful. One for Conrad. Okay, here's what. Wait. Let's do this. Okay. Close your eyes and make your wish. Close your eyes and make a wish. Okay, now kiss your coin. Kiss it. Okay, now make your wish come true. You ready to throw it in? Okay, be very careful. Oh. Okay, let's go. Okay, go as far as you can.
Good job. Alright, so we're leaving Trevi now. Gonna go hop in a cab and get back to our hotel and get some breakfast. We are back at McDonald's because we need to use the Wi-Fi, and just look at this case of desserts. These croissants, Nutella stuffed muffins. Tiramisu. We found a garbage truck in Italy. Conrad's favorite. Tindy, are you going backwards? Alright, we made it back into our Uber, back to the hotel. Thanks for McDonald's Wi-Fi. Alright, we made it to the hotel's breakfast. Yummy? If you are taking a cruise out of Rome, you definitely want to stay tuned because we're going to show you how to get from Rome City Center to the cruise port in Rome by train. All right, another crazy luggage through Rome and Trevi Station. And stroller. For a city not designed for either. But we did make it on the express train.
We have a table on this train. That's awesome. I'm hungry.
Something else about the express train, they said that there's storage space for luggage, and what they mean by that is overhead bin space. Most people going on cruises have huge bags. That's not going to fit up there. So there's just kind of luggage everywhere. It's kind of a mess. So a little bit about the express train is it is assigned seating. Tickets are much cheaper online than in the station. It was like 36 or 34 euros for both of us to get straight to the cruise port. So it's not too bad. 4 and under is free as long as they're with the paying adult. And this will take us straight to the cruise, straight to the train station. And then we have to take a bus from the train station directly to the cruise terminal. If you guys saw that bus when we were coming to Rome, it's going to be that same bus that we take back to the cruise port. If you guys have any questions about getting from the cruise port into Rome or from Rome back to the cruise port, just comment down below and we will answer them. And if we can get all of this through the train and stuff, I'm sure you guys could too. Okay, so there is the train station right there, and right across the street, like in our last video we showed you, this is where you catch the port link right across the street. So if you are going on a cruise, this is how you would catch the port link. Okay, so this is the train station, and this is where you catch the port link bus that goes straight to the cruise terminal. A taxi is about 27 euros, and the bus is 3 euros per person. All right, so I guess the bus is running a little bit late right now. We've been waiting for about 15 minutes. It's supposed to be running every like 8 minutes or 10 minutes or something like that. And there's a lot of people here waiting, still waiting. So we're now getting on the bus, and they said it's not it isn't. All right, we finally made it on this bus. We had to wait about 40 minutes. So just keep that in mind. They don't really run on a schedule. They just kind of come when they want. All right, we finally made it into the port and off the bus. There's quite a bit of a line, but at least we're here. All right, we made it on the ship. All right, this concludes our Rome vlog series. Now that we are on the Norwegian Escape, we're gonna go around the Greek Isles for 10 days. If you want to continue following along with our journey, I'll link the next video in the description, as well as create a playlist on our channel for this new cruise. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.